This is off the line right now. What is it? What is this? Oh, wow. Wow. That's what I'm working with today. S550 Coupe for you Europeans. We're doing good today. I'm about to check out this S550 Coupe. I'm gonna park it over there so we can get a nice view, nice pictorials on it. This is gonna be nice. This is going to be nice. You don't know how happy I am to get in this whip right now. First impressions, this is crazy right now. Crazy. Oh my God. I'm gonna park it over there, get some cinematics on it, give you a rundown. I'm just excited, man. God is good all the time, giving me this opportunity. So let me cut to that. Now another thing I like about this car is the lines. If you can see, it's like an integrated like little wing there. I love the lines on the car. I don't know if you see the angles on the car. I love that line right there, especially that right there. For me, that looks super sexy right there. That line right there. So hey guys, this is my interior review of the car. I love this is nice leather, red stitching, red interior with that burl wood right here. You got that Burmester, I think that's how you say it, audio system right here. Just like any other Benz, you can adjust right there. This car is just very beautiful. I love the all leather interior. As you can see, you got that beautiful, amazing seats, and I believe these are the hugging bolsters where they adjust to when you're driving. Right here. Let's see the rear. If you want to turn down the rear seat, it's one of those, and it'll move just for you, just like that, for you to access the rear. And once again, there's another beautiful seat arrangement right there. All that nice leather. Let's sit back. Let's get up in here. Ooh, that's pretty tight. I gotta move that up. But in the back here, I believe it's a bit tight, but hey, you're not paying for space in this vehicle. Got some storage compartments right there. The seats feel really nice. Look at that panoramic roof. That's pretty hot, bro. Yeah, man, speakers everywhere. I believe I'm counting one, counting two. These look like speakers right here. First impression of this vehicle, very, very nice. I can't say that enough. Just everything feels sturdy. The buttons, everything in here in general feels it's quality. And at this price and at this class, it should be that quality. The dashboard here, all computerized, big monitors here. I don't know if that's your thing, but when the car's turned off, I don't see nothing. I kind of like it, that futuresque like view where you don't really see nothing, and when you turn it on, it just lights up and everything. I appreciate it. If it was up to me, I can do without the burl wood. I would have loved it in that dark wood like my car has it, because just you know, it's I'm not really into that dark burl wood look unless it's coming from, like, if the interior is like a cream. All I can say is first look emotional. When I look into this car, it's just a beautiful, like, minimalist type car. I'll show you. Look at that dash, man. Super minimalist. Nothing too crazy, not too many buttons, and any buttons that you have to press, all it comes within the design. So even if you didn't really know what was happening here, you pretty much, like, it looks flush, man. Everything looks good to me, especially this section right here. Everything's within reach. Driving my Benz for a while now, and other Benzes, this is kind of intuitive for me now. If you saw my previous videos, many of you know I am somewhat of an audiophile, so I'm waiting to hear this sound system in here. I heard it's amazing. I can't wait to turn it on and drive it around. Basically, as far as aesthetics, amazing to me, man. It looks very, very good. Before we do that, I'm gonna put the stats and all the things you need to know as far as specs wise about this vehicle to the side of me. You guys can nerd out on that, but I should have done that in my first video. I'm sorry, but I'm going to do it now. Just a fun fact, this has heated seats and ventilated seats, which mine doesn't. I wish it did. So turn on the car. That's like with most cars now. Step foot on the brake, press that power. I don't know if you heard that. Sounds really good. Everything's digital right here. You have your miles per hour, and you have your RPM right here. So like with most Benzes now, you got the control switch right here. Let's turn on the other dash right here. Turn it on by pressing on. Let's lower the volume here. Volume. Turning it down with that. So, like with anything, command center, very intuitive. There's your hazard sign right there, your radio, navi, media for like your Bluetooth and everything like that. Let me show you how it's working. Very wide screen. I don't know how wide the screen is. Comment down below if you guys know. That's a navi right there. This is a massage feature here. What's this about? Ooh, heat balance. Play around with a massage there. How do you do it? Okay, little massage action there. I do feel it. I believe right here to raise the car, sport comfort mode, and sport and eco mode right here. As you can see, it'll switch over like that. It's eco, sport. These are all your go-to things for the air conditioner, your AC system, and everything like that. Now on this side, we have your, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna zoom in for a little bit. You have your 360 camera corresponding to that right there. I can click on that. We can go 360. We can go back to 180. This is your driving assist. This is your lane keeping assist. So me sitting in this car, feeling great right now. I've been in race cars before and everything like that. This doesn't give you that same like in the buckets, you know, stuck. But I can see how it has a sporty feel. It's pretty amazing. I mean, for me, it's nice. Sound system. Sounds very, very full. It's very, very full. I haven't even set up the situation here yet as far as like if I wanted to do like more bass, more treble, more mid-range. Haven't done it yet. But at the moment right now, sound system sounds very good. The type of driver I am, I'm gonna take this thing out to a test drive now. The type of driver I am, it's pretty moderate, man. I don't even drive aggressive. Me in this car, I feel the power already. I believe this thing will take me places faster. Other than that, man, this thing is pretty cool, man. Like, oh wow, I didn't realize that little ashtray looking thing there. Let's check out the glove box. Everybody wants to see the glove box. There's your fragrance right there. I guess you can refill that every so often. I do love the controls for the air, which is, look at this, man. I guess this is open, and this is to close it up. Look at my wife. She knows what I'm feeling already. I'm
try to go in. Oh my God.
How do you like this car? This is a woman's review.
Oh, babe, my face.
It's fine, you're beautiful.
Oh my God, it's so sexy. It's pretty.
Not in our price point right now. Maybe in the future. Maybe. Like I said, it's a blessing already that I can even review vehicles like this because, you know, everything works and the way it's supposed to work. I don't know if you guys believe in that. I believe in that. I got more cars lined up. I have the M's, the 6s here. I'm gonna do like one car every week. So, cause actually today I have to go to my sister's apartment and go take care of her rabbit, Alex, while they're in Virginia right now. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna take this thing out on a quick drive around the block. From what I read a little bit, this car is 449 horsepower. I believe it's a 4.7 twin turbo bi-turbo motor. Eventually, I'm gonna have Chris talk to you maybe down the road. He takes care of the social media and Auto Gallery Imports here. My wife is holding the camera. I'm gonna take her for a quick spin. This should be fun. But this thing is smooth, man. All I'm saying, this thing, let me run down this. As with all these type of reviews I will be doing, this is based on all emotion, how I feel about the car. Sitting in this cockpit, I feel like $1 million already, to be honest with you. This thing makes me feel good. Makes me feel really good. I do see a heads-up display. This helps me a lot here. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It reminds me of that old arcade game. Oh yeah, I feel that bolster. When I made that quick turn, soft turn, bolster kind of hugged me on the right side. So I expect anytime I do turn this wheel, those bolsters are gonna hug me. Visibility on the mirrors, pretty cool, average. You know, I mean, what more do you expect? I did test out the radio here, the Burmeister. This sounds really good. For an audiophile like myself, I like the system. I think this is probably like 85 speakers in this thing. But I don't know. It sounds like there's like 1,000. There's like concert speakers in here. Oh yeah, it's hugging me again. I feel it right now. I'm gonna try to give you the play-by-play. We'll see. It's very smooth right now, and the pickup is instantaneous. Like I'm not even pushing it, but I can feel if I did push it, this thing will move. Let's do a quick. Brakes are amazing. I tapped it just a little bit and yeah. Let's make a quick right here. But as far as day-to-day driving, I can see it driving it day-to-day as well. Pickup it's very little effort. Once again, this is 449 horsepower at like 5,200 and change RPM. So let me just turn here. I got lost here last time. Let me try to find a way here. Me and MJ got lost here. Right? Yeah, I do feel the bolsters constantly hugging me. I don't know if you can change the sensitivity of that, but definitely I kind of do appreciate. I have been in race cars before. I do feel that feeling. You're not really in a bucket, but I feel that. Oh yeah, it's really hugging me. I made that U-turn. The heads-up display actually tells you the direction you're going, the miles per hour, and actually the street that you're on, which is pretty cool. For those of you who get lost from time to time, you kind of know what street you're on. You're not looking left and right. You're not looking into the Navi, and God forbid you look into your phone because that's not good. Just gonna press it. Oh yeah, you feel that, babe? Oh yeah, that's. I can see this can get me into trouble a lot. To be honest with you, if I wasn't a road that nobody was on all the time, and I know cops are not on there, I'd really test this out. If you take me to the track, it doesn't give you a rush like my motorcycle. This is a little bit too deep for my pockets, but for those of you who can afford this, I suggest you pick this up.
Did you put it in sport mode?
No. Oh, matter of fact, Chris just told me that's on eco mode. I say in sport mode, man. My friends and I have a debate as far as you have the purists that love stick shifts to the heart. They love stick shifts, but because of technology now, nobody can shift as fast as this computer. Maybe? What do you think, Chris?
I don't think so.
Now,
technology is always gonna win in that sense.
Yeah, in that sense. Unless you guys have robotic arms and you know the timing of the motor, I don't think you're not gonna beat the timing of this freaking transmission. Once again, seven-speed transmission. I just put it in sport mode, and then we'll see what happens, man. Turns to the corner here. Let's play with it a little bit. Oh. That's
You got no one in front of you now.
Oh, I wish there was a meter to gauge my emotions right now. I just feel like if I had the space, this is off the line right now. What is this? Oh, wow. Wow. I believe if I punch it even more, that'll put me in my seat. Once again, I am very, very grateful that Auto Gallery Imports is allowing me to do this. Super grateful. I thank Chris for his company. You have to understand the life that I live. I'm very grateful and appreciative of it, and I try my best to just enjoy my life. And this is one part of my life I really deeply enjoy, because since I was a kid, I was one of those boys on the stoop with my cousin, and I'm like, that's my car, that's my car, that's my car, that's my car. I'm somewhat to a degree, I'm living my dreams via Auto Gallery Imports, located in Westbury, 500 Old Country Road. And once again, thank you. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what car you want me to test drive next. I'll give you an option. There is an M6, an M5, and I believe we still have a C43 AMG on the lot. Comment down below what car you want me to review next. Other than that, take care. Bye-bye. Take care.